The wood sanding line is used for the integration of sanding, chamfering, and polishing of the surface after forming the rear feet on a dining room chair. It meets all requirements for a smooth sanded surface that is wave and chamfer free, and ensuring the final sanded surface can be directly painted. The wood sanding line reduces the amount of manual labor needed, which improves production efficiency and reduces labor costs. It is suitable for processing of dining chair furniture and irregular components at an affordable price.